Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about string in Java. So I'm going to create a new file in my package. Here I am going to create here string in Java.java. So the class name is string in Java.java. Here I need public static void main method. If we think about normal programming, we know string is a collection of characters, right? But in Java, a string can be an object. So I'm going to show you the two different style how actually you can define a string. So I will say here string, let's say s1, and here I can say, let's say yamin. So this is one kind of defining a string. I mean combination of characters, right? Here you can see if you think about single character y a m I n, so it's a collection of characters. And we have object string also, let's say s2. Here I'm going to say new string, and here I have to pass value in constructor and like web tech knowledge. If I print both of them, I can actually show them. So run the code. Here you can see yamin web technology. String can be a array of character. You can actually define like this. Let's say, okay, I have to use here single quotation, right? Because it's character. So every single time I have to use single quotation. Okay, I have to mention here array like this. Okay, I want to print it, so I will say println. Here I'm going to say name. Run the code. Here you can see Tanvir. So character with array is also a string, right? A string can be object and a string can be collection of character. Now we'll talk about some string function. Now let's say I want to find out the length of string. Let's say the first one yamin. So I want to say here let's say the second one. Okay, so I will say int length, because the length will be integer value, right? So here that's why I have to declare here an integer value, right? length, and I'm going to say here that okay, the second variable, right, s2 dot I will say length. Now if I print this length, here you can see the length is 18. So let's check. So 1 2 3 1 space 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Okay. So we have 18 characters, so the length is 18. Now we have equal function to check the both string is equal or not. If I say println s2, let's say I want to check s1 is equal to s2 or not, so I will say s1 dot equal, and here I'm going to say s2. Go here and run. It will return me boolean value, true or false. So false, because both of them are not equal, right? So this is how we can find out the equals. I mean to compare to a string. Okay, we can use equals function or method, whatever you say. And next we can actually check the string is empty or not. So I will say println. So this will also return a boolean value. So let's say the first one dot is empty is the method, and it will also return us boolean value, true or false. So we have a value here, right? So it should return false. Here is the result, false. We have bunch of different method in a string. You can go with them. So this is how string work. We can actually write a string in some other normal program, like is a collection of character, right? And we have in Java the string can be an object. Here you can see s2 is object here, right? Because we have said here new string class, so it's s2 is an object here. And then if it is a array of character, okay, then it can be, I mean, it will call string. Here you can see we have we don't have to actually mention here index number, we just mention the array name and it shows everything here. We have find out the length. If we want to find out any array length, we just have to mention here dot length, right? If I say here println, if I say name dot length, so for the array we have to find out length like this, but in method, I mean in string, we have to find out length through a function that is s2 dot length and with parenthesis. Here you can see, so it's a function. Then we'll check equals or not with equal function, then the string is empty or not, we can actually check through isEmpty function. So we have a different string function for us, we can actually work with them. That's it. So thank you so much for watching.